Toyota GAZOO Racing presented the world premiere of two new models, the GR GT and GR GT3, publicly displaying under-development prototypes for the first time. The GR GT is new flagship sports car, developed as a road-legal race car that further advances its philosophy of making ever-better motorsport-bred cars. The GR GT3 is a new GR GT-based GT3-spec race car engineered for customers who want to win races. The two models are the result of the veterans who developed the Lexus LFA, passing on their skills and techniques to a younger generation of members, the active adoption of new Toyota-first technologies for enhanced vehicle performance, and the taking on of numerous and unprecedented challenges. The GR GT was conceptualized and developed as a road-legal race car. Demonstrating the commitment to a driver-first approach, development strive to not only endow the car with a high level of dynamic performance, but also to achieve a sense of car-driver unity, enabling the driver to interact with their vehicle at all times. The GR GT is equipped with a hybrid system that pairs a newly developed 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine and a single electric motor. In addition to maximum system output of 650 horsepower or greater and maximum system torque of 850 Nm or greater for exceptional performance, an unrelenting focus was placed on three key elements: a low center of gravity, low weight with high rigidity, and the pursuit of aerodynamic performance. Development of the GR GT, which is ongoing, began with the aim of achieving an exceptionally low center of gravity by considering how to lower both overall vehicle height and the driver's position as much as possible. Attention was then paid to adopting a front-engine, rear-wheel drive powertrain layout for ease of handling when driving the vehicle to its limit. Optimized positioning of heavy components, such as the engine, rear-mounted transaxle, and other major mechanisms, significantly lowered their center of gravity. Furthermore, the centers of gravity of both driver and car have been made roughly identical by pursuit of an ideal driving position that enhances the sense of car-driver unity and ease of handling. The key element of low weight with high rigidity is addressed by the GR GT using Toyota's first all-aluminium body frame. Using carbon fiber reinforced plastic and other materials in the panels has produced a strong yet light body. The GR GT styling was developed under an Aerodynamics first concept in which aerodynamics engineers and exterior designers worked as a single team. With the GR GT boasting a top speed in excess of 320 km per hour, aerodynamic performance was one of the most vital concerns. As the GR GT is envisioned as a road-legal race car, the conventional production vehicle development process of considering aerodynamic efficiency and cooling performance after the exterior styling has been set needed to be rethought. In the case of the GR GT, ideal aero performance was established first. Aerodynamics engineers and exterior designers worked together to achieve styling that supports aerodynamic and cooling performance. The GR GT's 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, which is TMC's first to be fitted in a production vehicle, was developed on a thoroughly compact and light design concept to help achieve the GR GT's packaging of low overall height and a low center of gravity. The engine has a 87.5 by 83.1 bore and stroke, the short stroke reducing overall engine height. The Hot V configuration positions turbos in each engine bank. The unit also features dry sump lubrication and an oil pan with a thinner than usual design. The engine's power is transmitted to the rear transaxle via a carbon fiber torque tube. In addition to a motor generator, the transaxle integrates a newly developed 8-speed automatic transmission, which uses a wet start clutch in place of a torque converter, and a mechanical limited slip differential. The motor generator, which is positioned in front of the transmission, is used to help make up for the momentary lag in torque response that occurs during acceleration and gear changes. While providing a direct feel that surpasses that of the GAZOO Racing direct automatic transmission, the GR GT's 8-speed automatic transmission is being developed with the aim of achieving world-class shift speed, as well as shift control that allows shift manipulation at will, even when in D-range automatic shift mode. The GR GT's interior styling centered on prioritizing the driving position and visibility above all else in an effort to achieve an optimal design that would be suitable for both professional and gentleman drivers, as well as for both circuit and daily use. Pursuit of the ideal driving position, coupled with consideration of interior styling, renewed awareness of the importance of sufficient visibility, as well as a sense of being protected. Particular attention was paid to excellent operability, with driving-related switches placed near the steering wheel and positioned and shaped for intuitive operation. For ease of visual recognition, even during circuit driving, special attention was paid to the gauges, with the width, height, and position of information displays, such as the shift-up and gear selection indicators, determined through a process of trial and error.